Wait, pause. That was back in September. You know what it is now? It's December 5th. 3 months after I decided to try and make a website. Now, why do I even need a website? Well, the short answer is I don't. Every time I make a new project, I can just put it on the website and people can just go test it out. And it might even help promote the channel. And it's just cool, but yeah. Honestly, I was just winging it. I didn't even know if it was gonna work. I didn't know if I could actually get it published. And by the way, if you're not already subscribed, just go drop a sub. It doesn't take that long. If I don't post for another 3-4 months, then you can just unsubscribe whenever you want. Yeah, don't forget to like and comment as well, and join the Discord. And also, I forgot to mention, I hadn't used HTML in a while, so I had to kind of relearn it, and it took me a whole 30 minutes just to get a background picture up. Okay, what's up guys? It's been a while. I've just been really busy. Is that a... Yo, wait. There's a mosquito on my screen. So I finished up the background, and I started working on the navigation bar so you can switch between pages. And like I said in the intro, a big reason why I want this website is so I can put my projects and games and whatever I make up there and people can go test them. So the next task was to make the projects page and to put something up there. And it took a while because of the image problems I was having, so the image wouldn't display properly. But at the end I got there, and I even made it so the image would zoom in if you hover over it with the mouse. It's gonna be messy, but I think I'm just gonna make a different class for every single project that I put up on this site, because I can't find another way. Alright, so I'm finally done with the projects tab. It took a while, but we got here. So yeah, I'm gonna leave it for now. I didn't even make a homepage yet, so I'll have to make the homepage, the about page, and the games page. That's for the future. So yeah, we're almost done. But for now, I have school, and I need to be out in half an hour. So. So the goal for today is to finally get the website published. So I'm thinking of using Hostinger. That's what gets recommended the most. So, oh, actually that fits perfectly in. It's Cyber Monday. I could not have timed this any better. Alright, so we're already in. The payment was sent. So yeah, there's no really backing out of this now. Okay, I have the zip here. It's imported. If I did something wrong and that was just a waste of $23, then damn. Diyor.dev.in. Would that work? And yeah, so this is what any user would see when they come here. They would have to damn. Oh. So yeah, in the span of 3 months, I ended up finishing the website, and I'm gonna make update videos to what I change and what I make on the website, and I'm gonna make some more projects to fill up the website. And yeah, also I forgot to mention you can visit the website at, I'll just put it up here, it's diordev.in. And also if you have any suggestions or anything, just join the Discord. You can reach me there. I hope you enjoyed the video. So yeah, I'm gonna see you guys next time. Also, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Bye.